Next up, we have Kristen from Acuity Scheduling, parent company, Squarespace. And Kristen, you don't know this, but when we asked we have this little Facebook group for our Jetpack community, and we said, hey, what apps, Jetpack aside, do you use to run your firm? And we kept hearing about Acuity, and I was like, well, I don't know. We've never connected before this summit, so I had to reach out to you, had to see if you could come on. I was so fortunate and so thankful for you all to come on. So having said that, we're going to open up the panel. Go ahead, Kristen, take it away. We're going to learn a little bit about Acuity Scheduling. And like I said, this is a unique hour. We have 3 tech talks before we go into hearing from Summit CPA and Andrew Argue and the following hour. And then, of course, we have Ron Baker, Mike McAlowitz, in the final hour of today's summit. So anyways, having said that, Kristen, take it away.
Awesome. Thank you so much. So again, like was just mentioned, I'm Kristen. I'm with Acuity Scheduling. So we are an online scheduling software tool that at its very core is going to allow all of your clients to book in with your real-time availability, manage those appointments, and give you business all without you needing to lift one little finger here. I am going to just close out of here and let me show you just what it is that Acuity is all about. Can everyone see this scheduling link okay here? I'm going to assume yes, unless I hear otherwise. So essentially what is going to happen here is you are going to have this scheduling link that you can add to your email. You can text it out. You can have it on your Facebook page. You can have it on your Instagram page. And you can also embed this right on your website. So when clients find you, they're not even leaving your site at all. You're able to go in and kind of create all these different service types. You can offer group events. So maybe you're going to offer up something to have a big group event where everyone gets to talk about how they can invest in their future, or tax seminars, all these different things that you can really do from here. Once they click on what it is they want to schedule, they'll be able to do one of 2 things. If it's just you, obviously we're not going to give them choices on who they book with. It's just you. But if you do have multiple people in your firm, in your office, you can either let them choose who they want to work with, or we can also pool the availability by default or as an option. So what's going to happen is they'll go in, see your full availability here, choose a day and time, and we're going to ask them for their basic info, name, phone, email, but then you can use intake forms to gather additional information about that appointment. So maybe it's a way to prepare for a call. Maybe it's a way to kind of keep track of where they're at throughout the course of these appointments. After they add in this information, you're both going to get emails about this. You're going to get notified if either person changes or cancels the appointment as well. And for the client, they're going to have all the information they need. With a couple buttons, they can add that right to their calendar. They can change their answers and make any changes they want as well. So what that's going to look like for you on the back end, you're going to have this overarching view of everything going on, either for your calendar or everyone in your office, totally up to you. And you're going to have a really organized way to kind of see everything going on in your day. You're able to click on each of these and kind of edit anything about the appointment, track their history, things like that. You can also sync up to your personal calendar. So when the world gets a little bit more back to normal and you're going to be at an appointment or on vacation, we'll make sure that you're not getting double booked at all. So you don't need to be worrying about that. Also on the back end here, you're going to be able to keep track of all of your clients, their history, and run any reporting you might want to. And you also get a lot of autonomy to kind of tweak this and really customize it to look like your branding, your language, your color scheme, whatever works best for you. So while the bread and butter of Acuity is scheduling, we do offer a lot more in here. Before I get to that, I'm going to quickly just go through. For each of these calendars, you're able to go through. Everyone gets to be set up as a user in the account so they can manage their own availability. They can say how many appointments they want to take a day. They can also set specific limitations just for themselves. And if you do have something like a conference room, or maybe there's 6 of you, but only 2 conference rooms, we can account for that as well. Again, you're able to set up as many appointment types, as many group events as you want, so that you can really offer unlimited services for your folks. Again, you'll be able to build up those intake forms to really ask whatever questions make sense for you for each of the offerings you have. So you can get any information you want from people as needed. So this is kind of where we also become a little bit bigger and better. We have hundreds of different integrations that you can sync up with. We automatically integrate with Zoom and a bunch of other conferencing options there. And then in addition to syncing with calendars, we also send out confirmation emails, up to 3 email reminders, 1 text reminder, if either person cancels or reschedules, and up to 6 follow-up emails as well. So the long story here is we have a plan that works for everything you need. If you are starting out, if you're by yourself, we have a completely free plan, all the way up to enterprise when you've got dozens of locations and really need a bigger functionality there. But come see us at acuityscheduling.com. We'll be thrilled to help hook you guys up and see how we can get your scheduling all automated for you.